Right, so I've got a ring light I'm about to unbox. So this is the tripod that came with it. As you can see, that is pretty tall. So that's what comes in it. Then you've also got in the box, let's have a look. You've got a fitting here, and that's for your mobile phone. You've also got here, it's like Christmas time. Right, so you've got another fitting for a mobile phone. Remote control, that's nice. Remote controllers, wow, you've got two for this, wow, that's cool. Okay, and then a car pillow hook. That's a nice little, what's in there? Let's have a look. Right. Okay, so that's another holder. That's cool, and it goes in there. I like that, that's nice. Okay. That was a corner to protect the ring light. Instructions, and this is the actual ring lights. Oh, there's another tripod. So you get a tripod, you get a lot of stuff with this. Oh, that's nice. So you got like a metal tripod for it, because it's got the ball joint, so it can go on the tripod or it can go onto the shorter tripod. And this is the actual ring lights. Let's have a look, see. Okay, I'll unwire the wires. And let's get some power on it as well. Right, I'm going to plug this into my laptop. So let's get some power. Right, okay, so I've got it. Right, let's get a remote controller. Right, switch it on. Okay, so this remote controller I'm using. Right, so this does colours. So that's, wow, that's bright. Nice and white, bright, green. So you can use it for videos, you can use it to light a room up, passes. It's pretty nice. It's got a strobe. So if I went to say blue on the strobe, now it goes onto the whites. Flash, it changes colours. I'm trying to show you the colours. I think this is lovely, really impressed to be honest. And then, like I said, you've got this other remote control that comes with it. Let's have a look what this does. Now, this one takes batteries. So, yeah, this one will take batteries that you'll have to obviously put in. But anyway, it's really lovely, very nice. You can make it brighter and you can make it duller, which I've just done. Off, on. So, yeah, it's got a nice array of colours. It's nicely made. And like I say, you've got quite a lot in the box. You've got a large tripod, short tripod, remote control for it. You've got, like I said, you've got this for your phone holder. So what you do with that is you put your phone holder here. So when you're using a ring light, you can put your phone holder onto that. So it's pretty cool. Also with the clamp thing that comes with it, this, right, that will clamp onto the telescopic tripod if you want as well. So it's very, very functional, and I think for the money you get a lot, to be honest. So highly recommend this.